Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all your Gmail emails. First thing you want to do is signing into your Gmail. Now you need to do this on a computer. You won't be able to use the Gmail mobile application to delete all your Gmail emails at once. Once you're signing into Gmail, select the category that you'd like to delete from. Click on the category you want to delete all its email and then come to this box under search emails. Click on this box and you see the numbers of conversations that have been selected, which is just 54 out of a total of 3,103. What you want to do is click on select all 3,000 conversations and then click on delete. It will tell you that this action will affect all 3,103 conversations in box. Are you sure you want to continue? Click on OK. And this will delete all the conversations. You will still be able to access those emails which you have deleted for a period of 30 days. You can view them by clicking on more and then checking your bin. In your bin, you'll find all the emails that you deleted. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to delete all Gmail emails. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.